Hello friends. In the last video we have seen shoulder stand, the Sarvangasana. Today we are going to practice Halasana. Halasana gives similar but more intense benefits. The beginning position of Halasana is the shoulder stand. Once you come in shoulder stand, try to get stable in shoulder stand and do preparatory exercise that is lower one foot to the ground behind the head, exhaling, inhale, raising the leg, repeat with the other leg. You can see here, lowering one foot to the ground and the other one. Once you do this, try dropping both feet to the ground behind head. Try to touch toes to the floor. If you cannot do it, just be in any comfortable position wherever you can reach. Once you are comfortable in this position, you can bring your hands on the ground. If not, keep supporting your back. Now you can hold the position. Things you have to keep in mind is knees should be straight, point the toes in towards the head, stretch the heels towards the floor. We can hold it from 30 seconds and increasing gradually it to 2 minutes. The plow Halasana is a forward bending position which stretches the entire spine, but the main focus is on cervical region, and all the region of spine are stretched, spinal nerves are nourished. You'll get better digestion and get relieved of constipation also. This helps in better sleep. As I said, it is a forward bending position. So after any forward bending position, we must do a backward bending position as a counter pose. So like we have done in Sarvangasana, the fish pose, Matsyasana, here also we'll perform fish pose for some time and then relax in Savasana.